Right, so let's run through those steps again for this for the top question. So we have a 1.5 volt cell is used with a 300 millivolt with a 0.3 volts, 75 ohm component. What protective resistor is required? So what protective resistor is required for this? Now to do that, you start off drawing a circuit diagram, and these are three things you want to do. You want to calculate the current in the LED using V equals IR. You want to calculate total resistance using V equals IR, and subtract the total resistance minus the resistance of the LED to give you the resistance of the resistor required. So we've done that. Step one we've done, which is the calculating the current required. We end up with 4 milliamps. There's a solution for that one. Part 2 there was to calculate the total resistance. To get that, we use the total voltage and the total current. And finally, we get the total resistance of the resistor by taking the total resistance minus the resistance of the LED. Okay? Now, there are 2 other questions on here that are not that easy. Okay, the second one talks about 12 volt supplies used with a 3 volt 60 watt bulb. Now, you're not going to be able to use V equals IR to get the resistance that requires. So what you are going to have to use is P equals IV, remember. You have V equals IR and you have P equals IV. So using those 2 formulas, you should be able to do question 2 and question 3 on the board here. Have a go with them in your jotter. Draw a circuit diagram to start with. They are difficult. I will come round and help.